Welcome back everyone, Sunny Trainer Matt bringing you a great elliptical full body cardio interval workout. We're gonna go ahead and get started with our warm up. So join me, hop on up, get moving. I want you to start at a light resistance and we're gonna be engaging our full body, so arms and legs, pushing and pulling with the upper body and lower body. We're just gonna be going for a full minute. I want you to start at a low resistance. So no matter what type of elliptical you have, start on the bottom level when it comes to resistance. So for me, I'm at a 3 out of 16, just getting my body primed and ready for action. We're gonna go for about another 30 seconds, and then we're gonna do a upper body focused minute. So we're gonna just be transition from full body intensity to upper body intensity. So this is a great workout. If you're not too familiar with elliptical workouts, transitioning from upper to lower to full body focus. So we're gonna stay with this same type of pace. We're gonna increase the resistance slightly. So here we go. Increase the resistance to mid-level. And we're gonna go mid-resistance, upper body focus. So for this one, we're really trying to focus on pushing and pulling with your upper body. So try to take some pressure, relieve those legs a little bit, almost like you're doing punches and pulls with your arms. So hold on tight to those handlebars, push and pull, upper body only. Let's go. Keep breathing. Got 30 seconds left. For your grip, make sure your hands are about shoulder height. So not too high on the handlebars, not too low, right at shoulder height, nice and comfortable. Keep going. Nice smooth pace. We're gonna switch to mid resistance, but now we're gonna do lower body focus. In 3, 2, 1, so hands off. If you have a secondary grip, go ahead and grab that now. And we're just focused on driving down through those feet into the pedals, engaging those glutes and thighs. Really driving through each stroke. Keeping our resistance at the mid-level. But right now I'm at 8 out of 16. All right, we're gonna go another 30 seconds and then we're gonna crank up our resistance one more time. I'm sorry, leave it at the mid-level. We're gonna go full body. So pushing and pulling, legs and upper body. Keep going, keep breathing. About 10 seconds left, and then full body time. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. So pushing and pulling, upper body engaged, lower body engaged. Good posture. Try to keep those shoulders down. Don't shrug those shoulders up too much. Nice relaxed upright position. Keep going, keep going. All right, we got one more minute after this. We're gonna be doing our high resistance full body minute. So we're gonna crank that resistance up, not all the way, but take it up to about 75%, 80% of the max resistance you can go to on your machine. So for me, I'm gonna go up to about 14 out of 16. We're gonna push it hard for this one, try to pick up the pace a little bit, and then we're gonna move into our intervals. Here we go. Level up. Full body, pushing and pulling. Drive those legs. Keep those arms moving. Push and pull. Keep going, let's go. Getting warmed up now, starting to sweat a little bit. So as we transition into these intervals, we're going to be focusing on switching between upper body, lower body, and full body movements. So we're going to be focusing on 3 different areas. We're going to stay with the high resistance. You're going to get a minute of recovery time after we go through each movement. So we're gonna start with a low focus. So legs only. Keep the resistance where it is. Keep it up. 2, 1, arms off, legs only. Come on. Going for a full minute. Getting that heart rate up. Burning those calories. Drive. Try to keep those feet flat on the platforms. Don't want to lift those heels up too high. If they come up a little bit, that's okay. I want to really feel like we're pressing down with those full sole of our foot. 30 seconds left. Keep going, keep going. 15 seconds, and then we're going to transition into our upper body focus. So taking some pressure off of our legs, really driving hard with upper body. I'm going for another minute. Remember, we're not touching the resistance. Try to keep it up. Here we go, upper body. Really relax that lower body. The resistance should be high, so if your pace slows down, that's okay. Really focusing on the push and the pull. Here we go. If you feel like it's getting too hard with the higher resistance, feel free to lower it down a notch or two. But keep pushing. You got this. 30 more seconds, and then we're going to engage our whole body. So picking up our pace, keeping that resistance back up. Really want to push it for this last minute. Keep going, keep going. 10 seconds. Pushing and pulling with those arms. Remember, for this last minute, full body, pick it up. Ready? And go. Come on. Pick up the pace. Legs and upper body. Engage everything. Full body workout here. Let's go. Don't let that pace slow down. "30 seconds left. Keep pushing. After this 30 seconds, we're going to decrease our intensity. Lower your resistance back down to a low level. Come on. 15 seconds left. Keep going. Push and pull. 10 seconds. Three, 2, and 1. All right, take it down. Cover. Woo. Catch your breath, get a drink, towel off. We're gonna go through that 2 more times. So again, we're focusing on upper body, lower body, and full body resistance here. Ellipticals are great for engaging most of the major muscle groups in your body. Woo. Keep it going, deep breaths, get that air in. 30 seconds. So for these last 2 rounds, you want to make sure that you're keeping your pace up. So you shouldn't drop your resistance too much. Try to go back to the first round. So I'm going to stay at around 14. I want you to pick up the pace a little bit. So here we go, resistance back up. Lower body focus. 1 minute, here we go. This is round number 2 of each. 3 minutes of hard work, and then you get another recovery period before we move on to our last round. Good upright posture, deep breaths. Driving through the soles of your feet, come on. Get those glutes and thighs working. 30 seconds. Keep that pace up. 15 seconds. And we're switching to high resistance, upper body only. Let your arms guide this next interval. Come on. 1 minute, upper body focus. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. If your pace slows down, that's okay. Keep pumping those arms. Push, pull. Right, left, come on. Relax those shoulders. Hold that posture. Keep that core engaged. Don't get lazy with your posture. Stay upright. 30 seconds left. And we're gonna engage the whole body, pick up the pace a little bit. You guys are doing great. $15 seconds. All right, another minute, full body, high resistance, pick up your pace, push through, let's go, drive. 1 minute. Got 1 minute of recovery after this, then we're gonna move into our third and final round. Whew, keep going. Come on, keep going, drive. Keep pushing. Almost there. Got recovery time after this. Let's go, finish strong. 15 seconds. Keep that resistance up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take it down. Catch your breath. Get some water. Got one more round to go. Still keeping that resistance high. If you're feeling strong, take it up all the way to your max resistance. Whatever that number is, crank it all the way up. Push yourself. Remember, we're starting off with a low, high resistance position. Whew, 30 seconds. We're gonna begin the last final round. Keep breathing. 15 seconds. Let's go ahead and start to bring our resistance up. Let's go, take it all the way up to the max if you can. Push yourself. It's the last round. 3 more minutes of hard work, come on. 3, 2, 1, and lower body. Tilt forward a little bit. Flex those hips slightly. Get those glutes really engaged. Still keeping good posture, just set those hips back a little bit more. Keep going, keep going. $30 seconds left, and we're going into upper body high resistance. Come on, push through it, keep that pace up. Don't slow down. Don't drop that resistance, keep it up. 15 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2. All right, upper body focus. Slow it down a little bit. Push and pull. Take the pressure off those legs. Driving through, pushing with those muscles through your chest and shoulders and triceps. Pulling, engaging those biceps, engaging your back. Whew. Getting a little through the back of the shoulder, a little bit in the lats. Come on, strong upper body, 30 seconds left. You guys are doing great. We got full body, max effort, last round, 1 minute and 15 seconds. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, pace back up. Legs and arms engaged. Finish strong all the way to the end. Last minute. Let's go. Keep breathing. Come on, stay with me, don't slow down. Keep that pace up. Push, pull, push, pull. 30 seconds left. You guys are gonna make it, let's go. "15 seconds left. Give me all you got. Don't slow down. Push a little harder to the end. Come on, max it out. Let's go. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Recover. Arms off. Bring that resistance down. Good upright posture. Fill those lungs with air. Don't stop. Let's cool down. Let that heart rate recover. Whew. Towel off. Get some water. Great job today. Keep breathing. Whew. Great job. Keep going. Remember, this is a great workout. You can add it multiple days during the week. Get some good cardiovascular benefits. Burn some calories. Most importantly, it lets you focus on how to engage your upper and lower body independently. So you can push yourself a little bit harder if you know you got a weak point. Maybe you don't drive as much through your legs. Maybe you don't utilize your upper body as much, so it kind of slows it down, lets you focus on one area over the other. So it's totally okay to do this workout every other day, multiple times per week. Definitely recommend it. If you're somebody that wants a little bit longer workout, you can definitely run through this twice. Get double the calories burned, double the cardiovascular benefits. Whew. All right, if you need a few more seconds or a few more minutes to cool down, go for it. Great job. We'll see you back here next time. Keep it up.